Hey guys, welcome back to Del Stack. Today I will be showing you how to add a Discord audio to OBS. So guys, if you're ever wondering how to do that, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the OBS application or software. And now, once you are here on the OBS, go to the sources and select the plus icon over here. So guys, from here, you could just simply go ahead and select application audio capture. So go ahead and select this one over here and you will have create new over here and make sure to provide a name over here. And let's say I'm going to go for Discord right over here and click on OK. Now, once you have done this, guys, you could just simply click on the window over here. So guys, make sure to select discord.exe. So if you have the application, make sure to open it up. So as you can see, I have one open up. And now guys, if you don't have the application, you could just simply go ahead and select the Chrome. So as you can see, I have Discord as well on my Chrome. And pretty much this will be depending on you, whether you go for Discord or Chrome. And now, once you have done that, you just simply click on OK. And as you can see, you will have the Discord tab over here on the audio mixer. And pretty much you can edit it out and adjust the decibel based on your preferences. And when you are playing something, the audio from the Discord will play while you are recording. So pretty much over here, you can change it and you can select the three dots over here and you can even add a filter and go for the advanced audio properties as well, which you can really customize the volume. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.